How to cancel Discord Nitro on mobile. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Discord app on your mobile. Log into your account. Tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on account settings at top right corner of the screen. Now on the account setting, select Get Nitro option at top of the screen. And from this section, you can easily get Nitros or get basics. So if you have already subscribed, you can scroll down to billing sections and tap on manage subscription. You can select your active Nitro subscription and tap on cancel subscription and confirm the cancellation. That's it. You have successfully and confirmed you have successfully cancelled your Discord Nitro subscriptions on mobile. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Thanks for watching and see you next time.